Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about reactive forms, how to access a form control from a form group. In my previous video, I have explained how to create a form group with form controls. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. I have created app component and app component.html. What we will do is we'll try to access a particular control from my TS into HTML and create a way where it is working same like a ngModel. So let me create a variable or a group like login form group with a type as form group. And let me assign this login form group with new form group of which is taking an object, and here we can define our controls. Let me give our control as username, and it is a form control, so new form control of empty. So now I gave the form control along with the form group. Let me save this and let me go to the HTML and create a form with a form group directive form group equal to what is my form group, which we discussed in our previous video. Login form group has to be binded here, and inside this I can create an input field where the placeholder is enter username and my form control name equal to, I can give something like username. Let me copy this and paste here. So I have binded my form control name with my input field. Now let me go to the browser. Yep. So now whatever I'm entering in this, that will be stored in our form control name. Then how to access this value in my HTML? Let me create a paragraph and I want to interpolate the value which was entered in this particular form control name. So let me use login form group dot get. There is a method called as get for a group to get any of the form control. Now my form control is username, which is accepting a username, and it will return a value. But this value may or may not be existing on my form group until I enter some value. That is why we will be using an optional question mark operator whether the username is defined or not. If the username is defined, then I can access the value. Let me save this, go back and type something here. You can see here the value is updating. So when I change the value, it is go on updating in the below one. So this is how you can access your form control from a form group using reactive forms. Here, if you see the output, it is same like ng model. So whenever we are using an ng model on an input field, I can use that ng model and I can access the value in my HTML content. So this is how you can use form control and form group, and we can access a form control from a form group by using a get method and value property. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.